Hi, thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Marissa Monroy. As Omicron cases soar, transmission rates of COVID-19 are now higher than ever. In response, Austin Public Health raised the area's risk-based guidance to stage 5, its highest level. To help prevent the spread of COVID-19, Austin Public Health is again urging everyone to wear a mask in all public situations, even if you are fully vaccinated. People who are partially vaccinated or unvaccinated are discouraged from going out in public and doing so only for essential purposes. Health officials also strongly recommend everyone who is eligible get vaccinated and get their booster shots as soon as possible. Austin Public Health clinics offer free COVID-19 vaccinations and testing without appointments. Identification and insurance are not required. For more information and to schedule an appointment, call 311 or 512-974-2000, or you can visit austintexas.gov/COVID-19. During Winter Storm Uri, many households lost power and water service. As the weather gets colder, now is a great time to make sure you are ready if disaster strikes again. One simple step is to prepare a basic emergency supply kit with enough supplies for everyone in your house for 7 days. Here are some tips from the Office of Homeland Security and Emergency Management. Start with the basics. Include 1 gallon of water per person per day. Make sure you have non-perishable food and a can opener. Add a first aid kit and 7 days of medications and medical items. Include a flashlight, extra batteries, cell phone chargers, blankets, and cash. And don't forget to plan for your pets. For more preparedness information, go to readycentraltexas.org. Don't throw away your holiday tree just yet. Give it another life by recycling it. Annually, holiday tree recycling keeps nearly 20,000 trees out of area landfills, contributing to the city's goal of reaching zero waste by 2040. For City of Austin curbside customers, recycling a holiday tree is as easy as setting it on the curb. Austin Resource Recovery is picking up all natural trees along with yard trimmings on regularly scheduled collection days. Here's what you need to know. Trees sprayed with flocking or artificial snow will not be accepted. Remove all ornaments, tinsel, decorations, lights, and the tree stand. Don't place trees in plastic bags. And remember, only natural trees may be recycled. All trees for curbside collection that are 6 feet or taller must be cut in half. Trees collected at Zilker Park will be turned into mulch and available for free on a first-come, first-served basis beginning January 12th at 9 a.m. Visit austintexas.gov/tree recycling for more information. With more than 1 million calls received every year, Austin 311 is the city's information center and main point of contact for non-emergency related calls. This next segment provides a look at one of Austin 311's most relevant service requests, traffic signal maintenance.
It's starting to get cold, isn't it? Sometimes this cold, freezing weather can cause traffic lights to go dark. Please pay attention to intersections that have red flashing lights and remember to treat it like a 4-way stop. When you get to where you're going, give 311 or 512-974-2000 a call and submit a service request for traffic signal maintenance. You can even submit this service request on the Austin 311 mobile app. So let's all help each other out this winter and keep the roadways safe for all residents of Austin. We couldn't do it without you. If you have questions about traffic signal maintenance, city services, or need information about a city program, give us a call using either of the numbers below. You can also go online or download the Austin 311 mobile app to enter service requests for many other city services. Back to you, Marissa.
That's it for this week's City View. Thank you for watching Austin. Be sure to catch up on all of the latest information on atxn.tv, our social media channels, and on our dedicated webpage, austintexas.gov/COVID-19. Stay well, Austin.